check this out. The traffic's moving, and I'm not pressing the gas pedal, and we're keeping up with the traffic in first gear. Over here on the left-hand side, we got police cars and fire trucks and all kinds of stuff, and there's a police person over here on this side of the road. Watching cars over here. I don't know what he's doing watching cars over here. We're not getting anywhere. I think everybody on this side of the highway has been looking at what's going on over there. We're actually going now.